Moin. You ever had this one cool clip, but your Discord friends say something super stupid, like this? So either you can't share it with audio or not at all? I will show you how to set up OBS so you get all your audio sources to one designated audio track. Step 1. It's all about the source. First you take all your audio sources and video sources like this. We start with the application, so this is for Discord. Call it Discord, and then you choose Discord. The window name is often different, so just take one of these match title things. Now we add your microphone. Call it mic. And then choose your microphone. Often default is the right one, but I have the NVIDIA broadcast thing. Now you can choose between game or window capture. Both is the same, but game capture is a bit more safe for games because of this anti-cheat thing. Choose capture a specific window. Then choose your game. For me it's the finals. Then here as well, use this match title, otherwise find same stuff. Capture audio. Don't forget this, most important thing. And voila! Step 2. Setting up the settings. Now we go to settings, then to output, change your output mode to advanced. And now we skip streaming because I don't care. Choose your recording format. MP4 is also nice, but I like the MKV. For the video encoder, I like the one from my graphics card. Now the main part, we have 3 audio sources, so we need 3 audio tracks. And then change the bitrate to 40k or something. I like to record my things with the replay buffer, so set it to a nice time. If you want to record more than 60 FPS, so you can change it to integer and then change the frame rate to one you like. And now we are almost done and getting to step 3, assigning the audio. Hit the 3 dots in your audio mixer, then unassign all unused audio tracks. Then we just assign every audio source to one single audio track. And it's done. Extras! You can put your mic on push to talk in the hotkeys settings, and you can add the command startreplaybuffer to your OBS exe, so you always start your OBS with the replay buffer enabled. So you will never forget to turn it on. See ya!